Today's video is a behind-the-scenes look at Komori's new B2 UV LED inkjet press, the J-Throne 29. We're here at our first installation with our partner 1Vision in Houston, Texas. And we're going to try to show you what makes the J-Throne 29 such a powerful partner for your commercial print operation. Competitive advantage is one of the top concerns of printers today when they add to their processes. Inkjet gives them that. It gives them great quality, consistent over a period of time, ease of operation with almost no labor. It's a push of a button print. The J-Throne also adds features which allows it to do larger volumes because it's a faster press. So let's take a little look and walk through the layout and features of the J-Throne 29 and show you what gives it its advantages. So it all starts with the feeder. Reliable, consistent feeding of a wide range of stocks at a very high speed. You're going to notice that the feeder on the J-Throne is different than other machines available on the market. This is rooted in our offset designs from our half-sheet presses. You're going to notice a feed head assembly that looks very much like an offset press, designed for much higher speeds. And then you're also going to notice it's a pallet feeder. The in-feed table of the J29 is also rooted in our offset designs. You'll notice it's very similar to a high-speed application. It's a vacuum delivery. The sheet comes down and then it is registered to the guide, which allows it to be entered onto the vacuum cylinder accurately. The paper transport from the register system all the way through to the delivery is a tried and true representation of what we built for our predecessor, the IS-29. Our newly designed delivery for the J-Throne 29 came from the fact that we needed a pallet-fed style delivery for volumes like this. Press is running now at 6,000 sheets an hour in straight mode, and having drawers or having small trays and having ejection style delivery wouldn't cut it. There's just too many jams and too many manual operations. The pallet feeder was the best decision. And we have a sampling tray that can take care of small jobs and/or running a sample proof when needed. So the J-Throne 29 has a big feature not normally talked about. It's a 6,000 sheet per hour press. With that size of space, it's the highest productivity per square foot machine available in the market today. So the previous UV LED ink used on the IS-29 required a tremendous heating cycle in its process. The new ink requires none of that. We deliver the ink to the press based on just a small temperature control unit running at about 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and we no longer have to heat the substrate. When we start the press up, no waiting time. It's a great productivity advantage for the new press. So that's a quick walkthrough of the new Komori J-Throne 29. I hope I've shown you how the features and benefits of this UV LED B2 Plus press can really add value to the commercial print processes and packaging processes in America today. We hope you join us in the months to come, and we want you to remember, at Komori, you can always count on us.